There's a famous saying that the love of nature is the highest form of love. Can you guess why? Stick around and find out. Hey, it's me. Welcome to Life Noggin. When you think of all the living things in the world, it might seem like we humans are pretty self-centered, right? Like we build our homes, our cities, our entire societies independent of the natural world with little regard for how our actions affect the environment. But we can't deny that from the air we breathe to the water we drink, everything we need to survive comes from nature. So, it seems like we'd want to protect it, right? Well, not exactly. So, why do you think humans love nature? Let us know in the comments below if you figured it out before we reveal the answer. If you're curious about how we got this question in the first place, it actually comes from one of our community posts. Every week we post a prompt and our community members submit videos, and we pick our favorite to feature in a future episode. This week's prompt was inspired by a social media post about a child who wouldn't stop crying when separated from a tree during a walk with their mom. The kiddo loved hugging the tree so much they couldn't bear to be apart from it. That's definitely one way to show the love of nature. But at Life Noggin, we like to dig a little deeper. So let's get into it. First off, humans have a biological predisposition to love nature. According to a few studies, just looking at images of nature for 5 minutes can reduce cortisol levels, which is a stress hormone. Other research also suggests that exposure to nature can improve mental health and increase feelings of well-being overall. In fact, some studies have even concluded that humans can heal from mental illness faster when surrounded by nature. With all those benefits, it's easy to see why we'd want to spend more time outdoors. But another reason has to do with our evolutionary history. Humans and all other animals have an innate drive to preserve our own species, and that means protecting the young, providing food for them, and keeping them safe. Because humans didn't and still don't live in a hive mind like ants or bees, we've evolved to develop affection towards the young of our species. And that affection motivates us to care for children and ensure their survival. But before we had hospitals and advanced technology, humans relied on the resources provided by nature to help raise their young. Plants and animals were a source of food. Caves and trees provided shelter. And since nature provided for our needs, we developed an emotional attachment to it. Simply put, we love nature because it's helped us survive. So, do you love nature? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about this with us, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. As always, this has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.